Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning the magical world of Google and how to search in Gmail. So first off, you can open up your browser. I use Chrome, it's really fun. And in your browser, there's going to be a little section right here called Gmail. And you're going to click on it. And it'll take you to Gmail. And you choose the account that you want. And you enter your password. And then it's a loading. So, here's the deal. I am looking for a recipe that my sister sent me for our favorite cookies. And I know that the keyword is cookies, so I'm going to search cookies. It'll search up, and then you just have to search through all of the cookies, and you'll find it.